Welcome to PharmNXT Biotech, where we blend innovation with excellence in bioprocessing solutions. Today, we invite you to explore our advanced manufacturing process in an ISO 7 cleanroom, guided by an ISO 9001-2015 quality management system where precision and quality reign supreme. Our journey begins by deeply understanding our customers' unique requirements. Our dedicated process team ensures no technical detail is overlooked. Once we capture our customers' needs, our skilled designers craft detailed drawings and schematics tailored to the process. Customer satisfaction is our cornerstone. Every drawing undergoes meticulous scrutiny to align seamlessly with our client's vision. With client approval, our manufacturing process begins. The film is transferred from our warehouse to the production floor, ready for precision cutting. Using advanced machinery, the film is expertly cut to exact dimensions, maintaining consistency and accuracy. Our skilled operators use state-of-the-art sealing machines to guarantee the integrity and durability throughout the bag's lifecycle. Port installation is meticulously handled by our adept technicians, strategically placing the ports to optimize functionality and performance. At PharmNXT, quality is paramount. Each cut of film undergoes rigorous visual inspection to ensure unparalleled product excellence. With sealing and port installation complete, our bags undergo thorough integrity testing, ensuring only the highest quality products pass. Post-quality clearance, the chambers are stored in our warehouse via material airlock area. Our team then prepares tubing, a pivotal element of our single-use systems. Each tube is precision cut to fit customer specifications. Connectors are expertly installed, allowing seamless integration with the bag. Our commitment to customization sets us apart. We tailor our products to perfection, assembling the bags, tubing, and connectors. Every product undergoes rigorous testing to ensure durability, performance, and reliability that surpass industry benchmarks. Post-qualification and testing, our bags are double-packed for protection before gamma irradiation. Following gamma irradiation, the sterilized bags are ready to meet our customers' critical bioprocessing needs with unparalleled quality and safety.
PharmNXT, your reliable single-use partner.